find this place, Ayapata, you will find a wooden sign. And after the wooden sign, you will find a flat place. That's as well a campsite. Some people, they camping as well here. That's gonna be, please, the next stop. On this place, and as well, we're gonna see a lot of nice forests. Now we're gonna see one native tree, which is called Uncas, a beautiful forest. In that area, sometimes, I hope today, we can see bears, spectacle bears. But if you see the bears, you know what that means? Too late.
Oh, good.
It's a little hard to see, but I hope we can see. So please, the next stop will be in Ayapata. Yeah, in 1 hour, 1 hour and a half.
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2. All right, vamos, mis amigos.
You might want to take your tips off.
Yeah.
It might help you a lot. Can I help you?
Yeah.
How do you see get off?
The tide of the- I hope we can. So we have taken off for day 2, which is going to be the big one. We're going up to over 13,000 feet, and it's not going to be easy. Look at this. It is so incredibly beautiful up here. It's a different world. All right, it's getting steeper. I need trekking poles. See you in a bit. I have not taken a lot of videos this morning because I've been unable to. It's so steep and the oxygen is so thin that it's been very difficult. However, we are a little more than halfway. Y'all gonna, this is gonna be amazing. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna zoom out. I'll go 2 times. Look at that. Oh my God, I hope you guys can see what I'm seeing. This is incredible. It's just amazing. I could sit and stare at this all day. So incredibly beautiful. This is a campground that we won't be staying at. We're a little more than halfway up to the summit, 13,000, I don't know how many feet. But look at this. Absolutely unbelievable. Wow. This is our group over here. The 2 guys in the blue shirts are our guides. And in between are 2 folks from Spain. And then Deb with her back to us. And there's the couple from Germany in all black. And Rachel from Canada. And the 2 ladies from Australia. And that's where we're going. Let me zoom out.
I don't want to be rude or crude, but that part right there that looks like a booby with a nipple, that's where we're going. We probably have another 3 to 4 hours of climb to get there. So, yeah, I'll do the best I can with videos, but just, oops, let me go back to 1 times. Wow. And you can see all the different people that are here. All the different colors, like purple, they have red, they have yellow, we have blue. All the different companies that are bringing people up here. It's just amazing. All right, folks. I have to use the restroom, which is down yonder, so I'm gonna go to it. We'll see y'all in a bit. We are getting there. There's the booby. That's what we're shooting for. That's the summit. About another 40 minutes, we should be there. Look at this. Look at this. That is absolutely incredible. It's beautiful. Here's my trail ranger. I think our group has given her a trail name. We'll see. I'll let you know at the end of the day if she's going to accept that one. The summit. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. And then look at this. There's our lead guide and my trail angel. Holy shit, we made it. Well over 13,000 feet. There's our group. I love it. I love it. We got a great group. Now come look at this. Look at that. Look at that. That's... There you go.
Well done, mi amigo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done, well done. We can take a break over there.
13,828 feet. Wow. That's just badass, man. Cool. That's just cool. All right, we've come over the summit, come down a really steep section. Not as steep as New England, but steep enough that it'll get your attention. And we're heading down. Got about an hour, hour and a half before we hit camp. Slowly but surely. And tomorrow's a longer day, double the mileage we're doing today. We've got a short uphill in the morning, back up to 13,000 feet, but nothing like today. And then, yeah, We cruise almost all the way to Machu Picchu, but we camp just a few short kilometers from there, and get up very early in the morning tomorrow morning to head down to, or the next morning to head down to Machu Picchu. All right, I'm gonna put this away. Got a steep section here. This whole trail, steps, cobblestones, whatever you want to call it, all built by the Incas, the 1400s, 1500s. I would love to see some trail builders, trail maintainers from Maine, New Hampshire, come down here and see how it was done by the experts. Because if you remember, I was certainly not thrilled with the way they were building steps and trails in Maine. It was horrible. Always slanted downhill, which caused injury to people. I watched it happen. But anyways, I don't want to get into that. This is gorgeous. We're not far from camp. Just down the trail, it starts going uphill again. And we don't do that today. We do that tomorrow. Another steep section here. I'm going to try to do it. It's pretty steep. Look at these steps. They're all slanted back toward the mountain. Just a hair. Just a hair. Last time I looked at my thermometer, it was about 58 degrees. I'm dripping sweat. Just gorgeous. Yep. Every one of these steps, with a few exceptions here and there, but that's, over 600-700 years. But every one of these steps are slanted backwards just a hair, just to give you that extra feeling of safety, confidence. But still, one slip. And you're getting a helicopter ride out of here. Ain't no roads out here.
Where we're camping, there's actually a helicopter pad, or was it back there?
I don't know.
I saw the sign for it.
All right, I'm gonna put this away because my arm's getting tired. The second day is almost over. We are cruising into camp. I don't know how much further we got to go, but I don't think it's much. Maybe a 1/10 of a mile. But we're out ahead of the pack rather than bringing up the rear of the pack. So yeah. Keep going down, baby.
Keep going down. Keep going down. Down, down, down.
I'm looking for blue.
Yeah. Blue, 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 blue.
7. You got a ways to go.
Almost there. There's our guys. There they are. Yeah. Woohoo! Down that way, baby. Woo. These porters are awesome. Careful, sweetheart. You don't want to fall.
Keep going.
You're good. Keep going.
Stay ready with your double box.
Okay.
Stopping right here. Get your ass up, you lazy bum.
So close to the finish
Yep, she bit the dust, folks. Her first fall. Luckily, it was in a soft landing. She's good. She's taking a lot harder than that. Huh? I missed it. I missed it.
Yeah, you filmed in the other direction.
I was the other direction. Damn. You got too happy, baby.
I did. Okay. I'll sit up there and clap. I'm going to that ledge.
All right. Honey, don't fall again. All right, come on.
That's gonna have to. There we go. Tricky spot.
All right, take your time.
Muy bien, Sonia, muy bien, muy bien. Segundo día, finito.
¿Este era el peor?
Tranquila. Nice. Now we're gonna clap them.
Yes. Woohoo!
Second day, finito. Down, down.
All right.
High five. Hey. Hold on. Come on, Deborah. We're gonna clap now then.
I know, I want to clap. I earned this moment.
Oh, yes.
They're gonna bring you down. Hey. Down, to the left, to the right. Yeah, to the right.
All right. Yes.
Told them you're leading camp yoga.
I could probably do it. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. All right, folks. This is our campsite for tonight. Look at this.
Nice.
Look at this. Oh my God. This is so beautiful.
We were always last.
Not this time.